Hey guys, looking for cool products that suit your needs? From electronics, fashion, to household appliances, you can find them all here. Don't skip this video, because I have interesting recommendations that you won't regret trying. Are you often confused about buying the right product? I understand. Choosing gadgets, fashion, or household appliances can be confusing if you don't know which one is the most worth it. Don't worry, I've prepared the best recommendations so you don't choose the wrong one. So, make sure to watch until the end. Don't worry anymore. I've chosen the most popular products, have high ratings, and positive reviews from many buyers. All categories are complete, from daily necessities to items that make life easier. Basically, you'll save time and know right away which one is the best. Come on, see the recommended products. The products I'm discussing have reliable quality and have been proven to be widely liked. So, you won't choose the wrong one if you